Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to apply adhesive vinyl to tumblers like this. These would make great gifts for anyone, so let's go ahead and get started. This is the font bundle that I'm using today. It is their mega bundle, 100 plus fonts for only $14. You guys, this is a great bundle. Now, this is the one that I'm using, the one in the top left that says Palace. That's the one that I used today. But as you can see, there is a ton of super cute ones. They're really good. This is a really good bundle. I highly recommend you guys check it out. I'll have it linked down below. So let me go ahead and cut some of this out with my Cricut Explore Air 2, and we will personalize some tumblers. All right, so I have cut out all of the names here. So I'm gonna make my girls some cups. So I'm gonna surprise them with a little gift. So what I did was, like, her name is short, so I actually sized it down a little bit more than theirs, but I've already pre-cut these, and this is that one called Palace, like I said. So really nice font, and it's gonna be perfect for these tumblers. Now these are super cute tumblers. They're matte. They feel really nice. I love them. So this is a really popular item that a lot of people are selling and making on Etsy. This will be great for an Easter basket, any sort of holiday. Mother's Day's coming up, you know, graduation gifts. So I made this whole personalized graduation basket for my niece, and everything, I monogrammed it, put her name on it for towels so she could take it to college. So these would be great for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just get a piece of transfer tape. So I'm going to use some paper transfer tape today, and then I'm going to take a scraper tool and let me go ahead and start with picking these names up. So let's start with Miranda here. Just going to take my scraper tool, and all I'm doing is just kind of rubbing this to get it to adhere to that transfer sheet. As you see, I have a towel here to hold these so that way they're just not rolling all over. You can definitely get a towel to kind of hold these in place. So I'm going to go ahead and just line this up here. Now I've seen people start all the way at the bottom, in the center, and I'm going to start mine. That way they all match, and I'm going to do them right down here at the bottom. So whenever I'm working with stuff like this, I like to go right in the center. So when I'm working with a round surface, I go right in the center, and I'm going to rub just like that. And then I start going in one direction and then the other. So I'm just going to simply use my fingers to rub this in. So then what you want to do is just come at an angle and slowly peel away. Just like that. And if there's anything sticking up at this point, you can just take your fingers and completely rub over everything. There we go. So let's go ahead and do the next. Same thing, I'm going to get it right down here at the end, line it up, and then I will rub all the way across in the center and then rub out. Just like so, looks good. All right, so I'm going to do the last one. So same thing, I'm going to line it up right down here at the end. All right, just like that. And I got a little bit of creases down here in the end, and I can definitely relax those. If I'm not happy with it, I can simply, at this point, before it gets too settled, if you work with something pretty quickly, you can resettle it. So you just want to carefully take your weeding tool and pick it up without stretching it. And there you have it. There is all three. Look at how cute those are. They are super adorable. Now, when I make stuff like this, like cups, and I put adhesive on them, I highly recommend, and I tell people not to wash them for 48 to 72 hours. A lot of times, if it's something that I'm selling, I just try not to give it to the person. So usually shipping takes care of that anyways. Or if it's something in person, I try not to give it to them for at least 2 days. So that way it protects it. And it's a good idea to print out little information. So there's these little cards. We have little SVGs you guys can buy, and they're they have all the washing information, and you can cut those and put them down inside so they have the instructions. I'll have that link down below as well. But how cute are these, right? Such a great gift and such a great item just to make for yourself as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.